Alright, I'm going to do one that's like this. Let's say the diameter is 10, and I'll use an angle of, let's say, 30. Now, a couple things I want you to notice. Well, let's draw a little picture of that to get a sense of this. So, the diameter is 10, so of course 5 would be my radius. 30 degrees might be something like this. So I'm trying to find this area in this sector right here. And so the way I can do that is the area equals 1/2 the angle in radians r squared. So I have 1/2. Now remember, this formula does not work if you are in degrees like this is. So you got to do a little bit of work. Now I know that this happens to be pi over 6. But again, if you can't make some of those conversions quickly, the way you convert is to multiply from degrees to radians. You put in, quote, the radians, and you take out the degrees. And you get 30 pi over 180, which does simplify to what I have over here, which is pi over 6. So we put in pi over 6. R in my case was 10, so that gives me 100. And then we would like to simplify this out. Now we get 50 divided by 2. I think we get 25/3 pi, I think is what we get when we simplify that out. But that's the idea. So you got to convert your degrees. Notice its diameter, a couple tricky things going on there, and then you should be fine.